Space Invaders. I don't know. I don't know why they're talking about Space Invaders. Space Invaders Extreme. Probably some story on a company called Tato. Oh, look at this. What is this? The Invaders Room. No, Space Invaders Room. Oh, it's like virtual reality with Space Invaders? Boy, that's different. Why am I looking at newspapers, though? Oh, what is that? Paint? No. Goddamn. I don't know. That's just funny. I'm guessing this is some kind of relaxation device for people after work. Here you got like some kind of generator, some type of... I guess it's an air device, maybe? Okay, I don't know. It's just one of those crazy Asian health devices. Okay, enough of that. What do I got here? Yeah. I should do like a video just on like a bunch of saved foreign newspaper packing I get. Ah, this is a large version of this, the Dunbine. Okay, well, it doesn't sit quite flush. I'll probably have to adjust it a little bit with Mr. Knife here and make it fit in a bit better, but it's not too bad. Here's a tiny little naked fairy. Filaria, I think they're called, something like that. This one does look naked as opposed to... oh yeah, it is naked. At the end of the anime, it has a what do you call it? A Filaria just dancing kind of on water, which is kind of cute. And it's naked, whereas in the show, they're usually wearing clothes. Here's the curse of all Gashapon. This guy's name is Shozama, and as you can see, Sho's sword is very bent. Oh, good lord, is it bent. And that's the curse of all Gashapon. I mean, if they have swords, they're gonna look like this. And I think the only way around that really is to do maybe the hot water method, where you dunk it in hot water, very hot water, and you bend it back into place, and then you dunk it in cold water and hold it until it refreezes. But I'm not so sure that even saves these, honestly, because A, I've hardly ever done it, and B, the times I have, it hasn't been too successful. They eventually go back into the position that they want to, which is the position they originally cooled in, which is unfortunate. Okay, he has a peg coming off his dick, and he has a peg on his foot, and they strap into the base like that. And yeah, I don't think this ever happened in the anime. I'm not sure. It's been years since I watched it. But yeah, it's Shozama sitting there looking at a naked Filario. And his eyes are actually pointing in more or less the right direction. They could be looking down a little bit more, but not too bad. It looks like he's looking down from the side. This, not as much, but it's not bad. Yeah, and it's really nice having a big old Dunbine head that's all fucked up and shit. That's kind of neat. You know, for comparison... Oh god, that guy always falls over, doesn't he? For comparison, here's the big Dunbine head, and here's the little tiny one. Yeah. It's pretty cool, though. It's just this nice little diorama of him getting his ass handed to him in battle, I take it. Or at least being the last one alive. Anyway. Yeah, aside from the sword, there is no problem with this. The paint job is nice on it. Yeah, I don't see anything wrong with it. There's like one little speck of flesh paint on the hair, but that's, I mean, that's, you just take a Sharpie to that, for God's sakes, and it's like gone instantaneously. Yeah, I don't know. I don't think this was like a Dunbine series of Gashapon. It was probably like part of like I don't know, some kind of animation, like a bunch of different cartoons or something, being given their own Gashapon series, you know, at once. You know, this is probably the one for Dunbine, if I'm not mistaken. I could be wrong. I'll check that out later if I am wrong. But yeah, other than the sword, this is beautiful. I dig it. Pew! I gotta fix that sword though, that will drive me insane.